Good evening, candidates. Good evening. Good evening. Today, I wanted to tell you about about CRR and other things. So now, first, let us see about what is CRR, what is present CRR, and the rate of interest of the present CRR is 4%. 4%. What is CRR? Cash reserve ratio. Cash reserve ratio. If a bank has got 100 crore deposit, time deposit and demand deposits, it has to keep up to 4 crores with the Reserve Bank of India in its current account. With the Reserve Bank of India. If they fail to comply with that, then penalty will be levied on the commercial bank. So this is CRR 4%. Next one is SLR. What is SLR? Statutory liquidity ratio. What is the present rate? The present rate is 18%. 18%. Why I am writing like this? You students will remember tomorrow when they ask you. Statutory liquidity ratio is 18%. So what is the implication of this? If a bank has got 100 crore deposit with it, then 18 crores has to be maintained by the bank in the form of liquid cash or gold or in the form of government securities. This is what it is. That is SLR. Next one, I want to tell you about bank rate. About bank rate. Because I'm writing for the first day, so I'm finding it difficult. Doesn't matter. What is the present bank rate? I don't know whether I can type on this. If I can type on this, I can as well do that. 4.25%. 4.25%. Okay. What is bank rate? The rate at which commercial banks borrow from Reserve Bank of India for long periods, say normally 90 days and above. And there is one more facility after exhausting bank rate funds also, in case marginal standing facility rate. If banks need additional funds, they can borrow at the same 4.25%. I don't know whether I can type on this. There is any provision for typing on this? I don't know. Doesn't matter. So MSF I have told you. So this is CRR, SLR, bank rate, MSF. Now let me use eraser. For me itself, it's the beginning. Let me use eraser and rub it off and tell you about the next one I want to tell you. Yeah. Zoom, I have been using the last 1 year or so, but then I'm not very comfortable. Yeah, I don't know. So now this one. Next one, I have to tell you about, say what? Yeah. Next, I have to tell you repo rate. Repo rate. Repo rate is now 4%. This is the rate of interest at which banks borrow from Reserve Bank, commercial banks borrow from Reserve Bank of India for short periods. That is 1 to 90 days. 1 to 90 days. So that is what is this? That is 4%. Then what is a reverse repo? What is reverse repo? Reverse repo is, what is that? Many people wrongly tell it as different number. Number is 3.35. It's not coming correctly. I have to rub it off. I have to use this and take this. 3.35%. Is it okay for you? Yeah. The bank has to, if a bank has got some surplus fund it can keep with the Reserve Bank of India when it borrows, and they will get 3.35%. Next one is that I can tell you about Senior Citizen Deposit Scheme. Senior Citizen Deposit Scheme. What is that? Senior Citizen Deposit Scheme. That is for people above 60 years. Above 60 years, they can invest in banks for 5 years period, and in which case they will get now 7.4%. It is subject to variation depending on the small savings scheme announced. Now it is 7.4%. These deposits are held with the government. The money goes to the government. Senior Citizen Deposit Scheme, 7.4%. And I think most of you will be knowing there is a scheme known as PPF, that is Public Provident Fund. And there the interest rate is 7.1%. 7.1%. Then I should tell you about, there is one more. What is that? Sukanyan Sammriddhi Yojana deposit. That is Samyukta. What is that? What is that? I don't remember now. Let me check it out. What is that? Sukanya Sammriddhi. Sukanya Sammriddhi Yojana. Correct. There is a deposit known as Sukanya Sammriddhi Yojana, and there the rate of interest, Sukanya Sammriddhi rate of interest is the highest now we get from any banking system, and now it is 7.6%. What is Sukanya Sammriddhi? You please go through Google and find out. It is a deposit in the name of the girl child and to be kept with the bank or the post office till the girl attains maturity and or majority. And the rate of interest is quite high. It is 7.6%. But one problem, Sukanya Sammriddhi Yojana. Sukanya Sammriddhi Yojana. Yeah, the rate of interest is 7.6%. And this is the one condition is there. Maximum one can deposit in a year 1.5 lakhs. Similarly, PPF also, maximum you can deposit up to 1.5 lakhs. Senior citizen deposit, this one, maximum we can keep 15 lakhs. Here, maximum we can keep 15 lakhs only in one name. Here, this one, we can deposit maximum of 1.5 lakhs. $1.5 lakhs. What it is not coming as 1 point, it is coming as 10. So I will rub it and then use this one again. It is 1.5. This also 1.5. Sukanya Sammriddhi, per year one can deposit 1.5 lakhs only. These are the points I thought I should share with you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.